Now, students, in today's class, we will discuss problems of Indian agriculture. Indian agriculture faces a lot of problems due to which it continues to be backward in terms of low level of productivity. Some of the principal problems of Indian agriculture are as under. Now, the first is lack of permanent means of irrigation. This is first big problem faced by Indian agriculture. Crop farming is heavily dependent on rainfall. Permanent means of irrigation are extremely deficient. So agriculture in India is uncertain. Good rainfall brings a good crop, while as droughts cause a loss of output. Now the second problem faced by Indian agriculture is deficiency of finance. Deficiency of finance is another major problem of Indian agriculture. Farmers need short-term finance for purchase of seeds, fertilizers, and other inputs. But due to deficiency of finance, farmers become a prey in the hands of Mahajans, money lenders, or landlords, who charge a high rate of interest. So, lack of banking and other financial institutions hinder modernization of Indian agriculture. Then one more problem is conventional outlook. Conventional outlook towards farming is another main problem of Indian agriculture. Indian farmers are reluctant to accept innovative farm technology and management practices, which prohibits Indian agriculture to become commercial in nature. Then small and scattered holdings is also a problem which is faced by Indian agriculture. Holdings in India are very small and also scattered. Small size of holdings do not allow use of modern technology, and scattered holdings increase the cost of management accordingly. So when cost of management increases, productivity remains low. Then exploitative agriculture relations. The relations between landlords and tenants are such that these exploit tenants. Often landlords demand a high rent from the tenants, and also most of the landlords share the crop but not the related charges, due to which tenants have a little surplus for the further investment. This is also one of the main problems faced by Indian agriculture. Then one more problem faced by Indian agriculture is lack of organized marketing system. There is no better marketing system related to crop production. Most of the small farmers sell their produce in local markets at reduced rates. This is a compulsion for them. Often they sell their crop to Mahajans or money lenders from whom they have taken loans, so they pay the farmers a very low price. Briefly, agriculture in India faces a number of problems ranging from production to marketing of crops, due to which agriculture in India remains subsistence oriented rather than profit oriented.